What's up, everyone? Today there's a Honda HRX 217. Oops, of course. And I have no idea what's wrong with it. The person that gave it to me said it just doesn't run, and the pull cord is not retracting. So, ooh. Look at this. And it has a visitor. I have a special way of dealing with those. So right here is some map gas. And you just kind of, there we go. Granted, you shouldn't do that next to a gas tank. An open gas tank. Oh man, there's a lot of spider webs. This thing's full. Okay, well, I'm fairly confident he's deceased. That's good-ish. You can see air flowing through that, so that's good. Let's discover why the pull cord's broken. Or maybe it's not. Maybe the engine's stuck. Because if the engine's stuck, the pull cord won't be able to retract itself. And if there's one spider, there's probably more. His helmet was there, but it doesn't look like he is. The engine's not stuck, so that's good. More likely than not, it sounds like it's just really gritty. Let's take this off. Let's at least have some working here. Let me show you. So just the time I put it on there, it's retracted about 6 inches. In here, it can get a little gooey or grimy, really. So I'm going to take this off. You have to be careful because this piece will like to jump out on you in the spring and cause some problems. You can tell the spring is still on there, so that's good. And I think its little buddy is there too. Spiders. A yard project I'm doing. I was recently outside road tilling, I think, and something was in the way, so I took it out gear and put it back into neutral. Wow. It's really grimy in there. Those little teeth need to go inside too. Anyway, so I was doing that, and I felt like a pinch. It felt like a pretty bad pinch. I guess there isn't a good pinch, but I looked down and there it was, this big old nasty brown spider. let's just say that it left a nice mark. In fact, I still have some of the remnants on my leg today. But anyway, that's not the point. Let's get us some lubricant. What do we want to use? Put some marble. And why not? Let's just put it in the spring too. In general, if you can get it freed up like this, it should be fine. The unfortunate part about this is it might have the other side, the spring might be broken. Looks like we'll have to take it off and get some tools. Okay. I think this recoil is just completely busted. Yeah, there's something definitely wrong in that. It's not even wanting to release. So, that's unfortunate. I don't think I might have another one. Let's see if I do. So, I kind of have one. It's a black one. I think this string might be shorter. So, put the black one on there. It's not red, but at least we can test it out. If he wants one that's the same color, I'll order it later. This will always be a good test. There's no fuel in there. There's a good possibility of the carb being gummed up because there's a reason why your pull cord breaks. That one looks like to be in poor shape though, so that's why I'm even thinking about doing this. The fuel's off though, or on, and the tank is dry. So let's put a little bit of fuel and see what happens. Fuel's on. Since there's gas in here now, I'll just take out these spider webs with a flashlight. Look at the oil. It's nasty, but full. Set her down. Choke is on. Pretty sure this has a blade clutch, but just in case, let's take this off. tune-up and cleaning. I think it should be pretty good. I'm gonna pressure wash it, change the oil, plug air filter, see what's going on with this riggery on the handles, oil the lines because they look pretty nasty. And it should be about it. I'm gonna contact him and see if he does want me to order that. See what happens. But yeah, so this is what happens sometimes when your pull cord is stuck, just flat out broken. It's not because your motor's stuck, it's not because of anything else. And a broken pull cord, contrary to popular belief, isn't always a carb issue. Because while that's to be understanding, that you would assume it was, because there's a reason why you're pulling on it like a madman, it could just be grimy. This is another reason why you don't let your machines outside in the rain. Because that was most definitely the death of that pull cord. And pull cords are pretty cheap. I'll leave a link in the description below for the red one. So if yours is broken, it will not have the sticker on it though. So keep that in mind. And I'll leave a link in the description for garage drug. The rest of the tune-up parts. Definitely gonna clean it and sharpen the blades, but that should be it. Well, this is a quick and easy one. Thought it would be a lot more difficult, but yeah, this is how you just fix a broken pull cord, buy a new one. At least when it's a Honda one that's a plastic and this isn't worth messing with anymore. Because in here, it's a center post this screws into. That's how plastic. They strip out so easily, which is the reason why I can't get it off on this one. So when that happens, you can't do anything, you just have to replace it. Okay, well if you have any concerns, likes, comments, leave them below. Definitely subscribe, thumbs up, that definitely helps. If you have any ideas what I should have done instead, leave those below. I will see everyone later. Have a good night.